Cooking doesn't have to be complicated. Here are 10 quick cooking hacks that'll save you time, energy, and maybe even your sanity in the kitchen. Let's go. 1. Peel garlic in seconds. Place garlic cloves in a jar, close the lid, and shake hard for 10 seconds. The skins will fall right off. 2. Boil water faster. Cover your pot with the lid. It traps the heat and cuts boiling time by almost half. 3. Cook pasta faster. Soak pasta in warm water for 30 minutes before boiling. It'll cook in just 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Peel potatoes easily. Boil potatoes, then dunk them in ice water. The skin slips off effortlessly. 5. Check egg freshness. Drop an egg in water, fresh ones sink, old ones float. 6. Get more juice from lemons. Microwave lemons for 15 seconds and roll them before squeezing. You'll get nearly double the juice. 7. Soften butter fast. Grate cold butter or place it under a warm glass for a few minutes. 8. Prevent chocolate from burning. Melt chocolate slowly using a double boiler or short 10-second microwave bursts. 9. Slice cherry tomatoes easily. Place them between 2 lids and slice through the middle. Done in seconds. 10. Prevent oil splatter. Sprinkle a pinch of salt or flour in the pan before frying. No more messy splatters. With these hacks, cooking becomes faster, cleaner, and more fun. Which hack will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more kitchen magic.